principle, all ball mills work in the same way. The material is placed in a jar together with the balls. Then the jar is sealed and brought into motion. The first difference lays in the movement patterns of the mills. In a mixer mill, the jars are oscillating in a horizontal movement. In a planetary ball mill, the jars are moving on a circular path like planets orbiting a sun. And there are also other ball mills with different movement patterns. This depends on the application. It is important to understand what happens inside the jars. If the balls can move freely, impact effects occur. The material is crushed and fine particles are produced very quickly. A high number of impact effects are, for example, generated in a mixer mill. If a whole package of balls is brought into motion, friction effects occur. The particle size can be reduced down to the nanometer range. As with the other questions, there's no general answer. It very much depends on the specific application. What is the goal? Is it about particle size reduction or more about mixing, coating, mechanical reactions? What is the material that is being processed? How much is the sample quantity? Is the process time important? Only if the task has been defined sufficiently, a suitable mill can be selected. The advantages of each ball mill are clearly illustrated on our website. For example, these two diagrams show that the MM500 controls has advantages in the field of handling and temperature control, whereas PM300 has a high energy input and jars of large volume. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to contact our experts.